Yesterday was January the 3rd, and I decided to actually start with a brand new trading session that was basically, it was like to welcome the 23 new year. And it was a very educational session where I actually talked to the people inside of the BLW Binary Master app. We traded together, we made money together, but I obviously like show you my entries. Why is it that I was entering certain trades? So I wanted to share this exclusive webinar with you so that you actually have an idea as to how to use this strategy, the 2 or 3 minute strategy, even better. But more importantly, also so that you can see exactly what happens inside of the webinars that we actually have. So I wanted to share this webinar with you. It's like a 30-minute long webinar, but hopefully you can actually enjoy it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into the webinar. All right, people, welcome to the first webinar in 2023. Today is January the 3rd. We're gonna start the first trading session of the year. So hopefully you guys are ready. As usual, well, not as usual, but we definitely tested the 3-minute strategy and we saw that it was indeed profitable. All right, you probably saw my video. I made $28,000 in one trading session on December 30th. It was crazy. I was risking a lot. All right, it's not something I'm gonna do every day. I was risking a lot, but it's always good to know that the strategy indeed works. So this is the strategy we're gonna be using today. All right, also remember that the new app is ready in the download section right here in this button. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Welcome. Good morning. All right, let's go ahead and start by looking at some pairs. We have no news. We had some news at 7 a.m. Right now, we don't have any news, and the markets are not 100% as normal, but they're definitely getting back to normal. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. Here we have a good chance on Euro GBP. All right, and it's actually literally right now. I'm entering 1 minute, by the way, but you guys can enter too. It's really up to you. You probably already understand the strategy as it is, so you guys can enter to 1 minute. But my point by doing this is so that you fully understand that you have to manage your own strategy as well. All right, whatever you feel comfortable with, you know what I mean. All right, so I got a few positions opened here. You don't have to enter as many times as I do, but try to catch the best entry point. You guys can realize that the crossover actually failed on the previous candle. It was about to cross, but it didn't. So hopefully this one actually has a huge drop. Welcome, people here on YouTube. If you want watching this on the recording, because I think I'm gonna upload it to YouTube. So yeah, try to always see as well the 50 RSI level. I lost a couple of trades right now. I think the price is still has to drop. I'm just not sure exactly when. And let me go if you guys entered. All right, this is the 2 or 3 minute strategy, the new one. We're using the new one. If you guys are very new, below the live chat in this section right here, we have the video. This is like a 30-minute video where I teach you the strategy from start to end. Okay, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Right now, I don't think I'm gonna win this one though. Seems like it's breaking the 50 RSI. In the money, Zora, that's awesome. Good job. If you guys entered as early as I did, but with 2 minutes, then you probably won it. Even made 3 wins. That's awesome. Awesome. Good job, people. I'm winning the first one, but I think I'm losing I'm not sure because, like I said, well, right now the RSI is being respected. So yeah, I think I'm gonna win this one. All right, we started good. We started the year with a win on Euro GBP. I'm gonna try to focus because you already know that when I talk, usually I don't focus too much in my trade, so it's kind of complicated for me to win the trades. But I'm gonna try to be focused as much as possible. Of course, we're gonna avoid low payouts. I'm sorry. This is too low, so we're not gonna enter this one. This is not a clear trend. It's not a clear trend. Can we mostly do Quotex today? We're gonna be switching from one broker to the other. For instance, right now I don't see any options right here. This one is too oversold, but I think it's gonna jump because of the trend. GBP USD. Let's take a look at Quotex. Sometimes payouts are actually better here on Quotex. Take a look at this one. It looks like a great option right now for 2 minutes. This is USD CAD. USD CAD. Again, for those of you, oh yeah, I'm talking. Yes, hold on, I'm talking. Because someone asked right here if they were supposed to hear me. Yes, I'm talking. Again, for those of you who are not familiar with the strategy, go ahead and check it out right here below the live chat that you guys are looking. There is a webinar video that I uploaded, so you guys can check it out. I think I entered too early on this one because I think the price might jump a little bit. So wait for the price to start jumping. I think like around this level, it should give us a good entry point because it's gonna get near to the 50 RSI. Right now, I don't think I'm gonna win the first one. But yeah, this new candle is dropping. I don't think it's gonna drop as hard as needed, but hopefully it does. I'm gonna try to be more conservative right now, and I'm sorry that I didn't send the signal. But yeah, please turn on the speakers for the signals today. The thing is that if I actually try to send the signals here as well, you know, I kind of lose a few seconds. So I'm going to try to do it as fast as possible. All right. Is that okay with you? Or you really want me to, you know, send the signals written? Non-written. All right. I sent the link to the webinar on the other chat room. I think I'm gonna share it again. Hold on. Join the webinar here. Yeah, it was a winner. Good job, people. We're 2-0. Let's try to find some more. Oh, is it closed? Euro JPY? Oh man, you guys are lazy though. Oh my god, this would have been a perfect entry. All right, we missed it. That's fine. Closed. This change in trending looks really darn good. So we can enter a put position for like around 2 minutes on Euro USD. I think GBP USD is doing the exact same movement, but this one looks like a clear more uptrend. This looks a little bit more like a change, not like a change of trending, but it's going to be bouncing around this area and then it's going to continue its uptrend. What strategy? We're using the 3-minute strategy, the new one, the one that is right here at the bottom of the live chat, right here. All right. Anybody entered Euro against the US dollar? All right. And Monica entered. Right now it's dropping really hard. All right, hopefully you win it. The next candle I think is gonna be a green one, so hopefully you don't lose that one. Yeah, your USD we would have won it, but I didn't see it clear, so that's why I didn't send it. All right, 30 seconds left on this one. And I think we're gonna win it. So share your results. You see, it was a green candle. It wasn't possible that it was gonna be a red one. All right, so in the money on this one. Let's go ahead and look for another one. This is too low. This is too risky. I think the price actually will start jumping from now on, but I'm not sure where, so we're not gonna risk it. Not clear trend, closed. This one we need to wait for the price to jump a little bit so that the stochastic gets in the middle, or at least inside of the boundaries, and also the RSI is on top. This one we need to wait for it to drop a little bit. All right, we have a new entry point here on USD CAD. Maybe it will jump a little bit more because we do have a resistance level somewhere here. Let me just go ahead and show you the line. Somewhere around here, we have a resistance level right there. So maybe the next candle will push it at least close to it, or we're gonna have a huge drop. It's not guaranteed, but if the price jumps a little bit more, obviously I'm gonna have a new entry because I entered too low, expecting the price to actually have a massive drop. But we're gonna see. Right now it's literally touching the 50 level on the RSI. So yeah, I got my second entry for 2 minutes. You guys don't have to enter multiple times. Remember, you guys can enter just once. Or if you just want to monitor my trades, then, you know, just watch my trades. All right, it jumped more. All right, it's fine. You know, this stochastic kind of makes me nervous. So no more entries right now because the push is so hard that it's going to be nearly impossible that the actual drop happens within the next 2 candles. Right now, it literally is retracting at this resistance line, but I don't think it's going to be respected. So yeah. Shasia Fahim, we're using the 3-minute strategy, the new one. And if you go below the live chat, there's a video right here in case someone needs to learn it. All right. It already broke the 50 RSI. That doesn't mean that there's a change on trending. Sometimes he breaks and then it retracts. But if you enter right now, then you're less risky than I am. All right. I already risked too much in the positions that I entered. So it's going to be nearly impossible that the price actually drops to this level. But at least I think I can win 2 of the trades, of the 4 trades. So I'm going to be like breaking even or something like that. But it depends on the new candle because stochastic is not looking good. Let me just go ahead and get my pen so I can show you what I mean. I don't think it's going to retract, to be honest. Or yes, it's going to retract, but not as much. I think I lost the positions. So let me know when you guys entered and let me know if your results. All right. I entered too early. But I don't know. Yeah, the first one, I'm not going to win it. There you go. I lost it. Go. The other 2, I think I'm going to win them. All right, Juana, no problem. Oh, you enter one at the start of the current candle. Good job. You're going to win it. All right, so I'm breaking even on this one. Everybody else share your results because I want to make sure we're on the same page. I'm still at $1,000 up. But yeah, let me know. How do you guys are doing before I send in the new signal? I'm taking this as a tie. All right, Monica got out of the money. Wanna lost it. Steve won it. Let me just go ahead and show you the chat so you guys see. There you go. For one, all right, out of the money. All right, you probably enter early with me on the first entry points. All right, that's fine. We're gonna find some new entries right now. The payout is not good here, so this one already broke, so we're not gonna into it. We do see a change on trending here. That's actually nice. Same here on euro against the dollar. All right, so with euro USD, we're gonna wait for the price to actually jump a little bit more so that we can have a good entry point. All right, we need to wait for the price to actually touch the 50 RSI. So I think this could be a good entry, but I think the price will actually jump slightly more. I have an early entry if the price jumps a little bit more to like this line that I drew right here. Then I'm gonna have a couple more entries, but yeah. Oh, Surav is going. All right, good job. Tyler is 3-1 and 1 draw. That's good. $3-0, Steve. Good job. Not available? Euro USD? Really? Could it be that you are looking at OTC maybe? I'm not sure. All right, the new candle opened literally at my first entry point. So it's all on the next 2 candles now. This one, the first entry is literally expiring at the same time of this candlestick. So I'm not sure. No problem, Juana. This is a little bit risky, so no more entries from this moment on. Because the price could actually continue its uptrend right now. It had a price correction during the morning. Euro USD. It's even more risky now. There you go. All right, cool. So I won the first one. Enter top of the current candle. All right, good job. This is euro against the US dollar. All right, now it's dropping and now it's about to cross. All right, so we won that one. Good job. Let me know your results. I think some of you guys still have those orders still pending, or I mean active. But let me know your results. All right, I'm gonna keep on looking for entries. This is too risky. Closed. This is good entry, but the payout is not good. So if you guys have a better payout, you guys can enter euro against the Australian dollar. Not really. Not right now. The cross retracted. Ignore it. Payout is not good anyways. This one is going to give us a good entry point, but the price needs to jump a little bit more. I think it will jump like around this area at least to like this resistance line. So let's wait for it on AUD, CAD. Monitor that one, all right? This one needs to jump a little bit more as well till the 50 level is touched. I would say around here. This one is gonna give us a good entry point, a good call position. This is a GBP AUD. This is like the resistance line, maybe even lower. So let's wait for it. I think the closest one is AUD CAD. Let's see. Good job, the ones who are making money. Thank you for sharing your results. Oh, wow, we had 27 people in this webinar. That's a lot of people. You guys are hungry of money. That's good. Let's see the question. Christian, I have a problem. I charted the broker, not the same as yours. What should I do? I think you're looking at OTC charts. If that's the case, change it. Look, right now it's actually crossing. I think the price might jump a little bit more, but since it's crossing, maybe it's not even going to touch the resistance. So I enter early, but there you go. Now it's giving more entry points. Nah, he dropped. This wasn't GBP CAD. The market is too stable here, so this is a risky one. If you guys don't want to enter risky trades, don't enter this one. It's just on my own. This one started jumping again. This one is not reaching. And again, this is risky. Look at the stochastic. Seems like the stochastic is going to cross going up one more time. So it's becoming too risky. All right. I know it's a downtrend, but take a look at the stochastic. So it's very risky. I entered 2 trades to recover the lost trades. So I might win 2 and lose 1, or I might lose the 3 of them. Winning the 4, I think, is something nearly impossible at this point because of the bull power. You see? So let me know if somebody entered, but if you didn't, don't enter anymore. It's becoming too risky. The RSI should do the job right now and push it back down, but I don't think I'm going to win the first one. So let me know if anybody entered. And also Daba, let me know if you are watching OTC instead of the real markets, because that might be the reason. All right. No problem, Daba. Wanna have a good one. 2-1. All right, cool. Conservative. I like that. It was dropping enough to make me win the first one, but stopped. Yeah, 5 seconds left. I don't think so. If I win the other 2, that's fine. AUDCAD. Awesome. Yeah, good catch. Let me know if you enter AUDCAD. I need to monitor this one first, though. GBP CAD. All right, GBP CAD. It's looking good. I don't want to send like too many signals at once because we are still learning this strategy. So what's going on with this jump? The CAD pairs are actually losing value. That's the reason why AUD CAD and GBP CAD are kind of jumping. All right, so GBP CAD is a winner. That's a good one. This one right here, it's becoming kind of risky. So I'm just gonna leave those 2 trades. I'm up $4,000 right now, so I'm good. If I lose these ones, I'm gonna be still at $2,000. But if I win these ones, I think I'm gonna be like around 7,000. So I'm gonna be good. So these are gonna be my last trades. So far in signals, we are 6-0, depending on this one. So I think we're gonna call it for the day. It's not a bad start for the year. And I think this strategy, you guys are getting it easier, right? Let me know what you guys think about this strategy. Yeah, the CAD currency is the one that is killing us right here. It's losing value right now. And there are no news. For those of you that's wondering, there are no news. Yeah, we're going to lose these 2. $4-0 for Steve. All right, AUD CAD is a loss. Too bad. Let's see where I'm standing. $2,300 in profit. I think it's good for me, you know, to finish the day. Let me see if I find something very clear, and then I can send it. If not, then we're just gonna call it for the day. I do think that the price on AUD/CAD is actually going to drop now. So let's go ahead and catch this one. I said it was going to be the last one, but I mean, you guys know what I do. I want to get to 100K by the end of the week. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it live though, but. Let's see what Stochastic has to say about this right now. It's all about the cross of Stochastic now. At least for one more candle and we're good to go. Yeah, look at the Stochastic right now. It's not pushing down. It's kind of breaking to keep on crossing going up. If that happens, it basically means that there's going to be a continuous uptrend and the change in trending going downwards wasn't strong enough. But we're going to see what happens. You see, it was a strong uptrend, then it became a downtrend, and now it seems like it wants to continue going up. It's not that AUD is being strong, it's that CAD is doing bad. That's the reason why GBP CAD is also kind of doing the exact same thing. It's because of AUD. But let's see what happens. Now, this candle really helped us out, but I still have 30 seconds because I didn't enter at the exact beginning of this candle. So this trade became risky, but we're going to see what's the outcome. Nah, we're going to win this one. Let me know if you guys entered. All right, that was a winner. In the money, AUD/CAD. And let me see my profits. Oh, I'm at 12 position, $3,160. Where am I? Here I am. Oh, but I was at 4,300. Oh, I'm gonna get lower than this to like around the 19th or 20th position. All right, that's not bad. Okay. Share your results, people. I want to see how you guys ended up today in general. We're going to call it for the day, but I want to know how you guys did during this session. 3-1, 2-0, 2-1, 2-0, 2-0. All right, good job. So you guys made some profit. You guys want to share how much you made? It's okay. I mean, it doesn't really matter how much you made as long as you make profit, but it's always good to know how much you guys are making. $88, Emmer. Good job. So you cover already the monthly fee for this group. That's good in one day. For two, even son. $400, Tyler. Good job, man. That's some really nice profits there. $90. Good job. $480. Wow. $984. Good job, people. I'm glad to see that you guys are making this much money. All right, so we're gonna wrap it up for the day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this webinar. And more importantly, if you guys want to be tomorrow, it's gonna be 15 GMT as usual, right here. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, people. Cheers. All right, so as you can see, the webinar was pretty successful. It was awesome. I really loved it. But let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this strategy? What do you think about the BLW Binary Master App Signals group? If you are not part of it, you guys are welcome to join. I'm putting the link to it in the description of this video. It says start copying my signals, and the link is blwbinaryMasterApp.com. So hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video, and if you did, smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. But more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, you can always use the comment section below, and my team will be happy to reply to you. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.